Hello and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Just a quick update, an intraday update. We don't really see any significant changes. The only addition that I have made to the last video is that I have sketched onto this chart a roadmap. I've put a roadmap onto the chart that tells everybody what we need to see for a first proper 5-wave pattern to the upside from the Saturday low, actually, midnight UTC, from the Saturday low, for an indication that actually a low has formed. Yeah, more than just a local low, more than just a corrective low. So for me, I explained it in detail in the last video that I am looking for lower in the short term, yeah, but that I'm still tracking for a potential upside reversal. But to believe that, I want to see a 5-wave move up, okay? Why am I tracking for lower? Because we have a potential B-wave top there. That leaves the door open for lower prices. We also have a potential 5-wave decline from yesterday's high. I can show that on the chart. It would be a diagonal pattern, okay? So we have a 5-wave decline. That does count as potential, hold on, probably rather like that. That does count as a potential C-wave decline, absolutely. So the low might be in, but a 5-wave move down from a top like that, which was a 3-wave top, as explained in detail in the last video, it leaves the door open for lower prices, yeah. But that could be, just to show you, that could be, for example, easily an A-wave down, a B-wave up, and a C-wave down, at least in this orange scenario. So what I want to say, we have 5 waves down, but to really believe that we've bottomed there at the 50% retracement, 106,940, and that we completed a more substantial low, I want to see a 5-wave rally from the low. And that is exactly what I've shown here. A micro 5-wave rally as shown by the yellow scenario here. That would give us a good indication wave 2 has indeed bottomed, yeah. And it would have to be a diagonal pattern. So again, just more reason not to trust it, okay? And as long as it stays a 3-wave move up, you know, we can't just assume something more substantial has bottomed there, yeah? However, this scenario to the upside is valid, technically, as long as the market stays above the wave 2 low that formed at 107,600. Today, not much movement. It's a 3-wave rally from the intraday low so far, from the Saturday low. But if the third wave, internal third wave, gets to 110,120, that would be the next milestone target for the bulls. Then it needs to hold another 4-5 pattern. And then we can call that a 5-wave move up in a leading diagonal. Leading diagonal means it's leading something, it is starting something. Yeah, a 5-wave move can always end something or start something. In this case, it would be starting something. And it could be the wave 1 of the next larger rally to the upside. Like that, yeah. This is not necessarily what I'm expecting at this point, but obviously I show you what the signals would be that we need to see. What would be the patterns that need to develop for us to assume that a low has formed. And I'm not sure why it's not changing that wave 2. There you go. So yeah, getting that 5-wave pattern done would be helpful. Ideally, even 5 waves that break above that last swing high that is located at 111,250. Against that, the pressure is downward because we have a 5-wave decline. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.